due respect, sir.
All right.
With due respect. How do you prospect for business?
You have to have a plan first. You have to have a plan in marketing.
In PROPERTYMAXX, which is the firm where you are a principal partner,
okay.
How do you prospect for business?
Okay, first thing, like I say, is we imbibe professionalism.
Yeah. We
imbibe integrity and honesty.
Yeah.
And then we make sure that we retrain ourselves. Constantly. We are not stagnant. We are not stiff in one place. So we are there, we are here, we are taking chances, we are taking opportunity, and we are ready for the challenges ahead. So all these things sum together makes a businessman. So you don't just sit there and
say... So for you, when you exude or exhibit integrity, professionalism, integrity, and retrain yourself, those values will help you to attract customers,
yes,
and retain them.
Yes.
So for you, a very strong customer retention strategy
is my key.
Integrity, professionalism,
God bless you,
and honesty. You've also said that when you train yourself, when you're on top of your game continuously,
nobody can push you.
Then people are going to recognize value.
And you're going to get referral from far and wide.
And that will attract referrals from different places.
Yes, because in real estate, sorry to cut you short, in real estate, if you treat one guy right, you have treated 10 guys right.
True.
It's going to take
and that applies to every business.
So why do you need to do any other marketing, print marketing? You transact a business of 30 million with me. Probably your peers are millionaires as well. And I've treated you right. You told them about me. I'm having 10 more. Those 10, I treat them right. I'm having 100. Come on, it's a circle. It's a chain. It goes on and on and on.
So
when
you
apply professionalism.
So word of mouth is very key in this business. Word of mouth. If you treat me well, you rely on me. Referrals.
It's not only word of mouth.
Well about you.
You have to show what you're up to. You know, it's practical. It's not just theoretical. It's practical. If you are good, you will be able to display it. If you are not good, people will know instantly. So if you are a fraudulent guy, you can run this business for 1 year.